Here's why Aquafunded is the only prop firm you should consider using to get your next challenge. More than ever,
Traders, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you back here to this new session. I'm Simon Gunn, and today is Tuesday. Trader, this is the third day. We are trading this week, and we are very grateful. We won't start this session without giving thanks to God, the Almighty, always help us to be here, and which we trust to keep going ahead and blessing us through this journey, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're now here for another session, learning how to trade. We shouldn't forget, we're here to learn how to trade. That is why we encourage you guys to have a demo account or perform account. If you have to use real money, you gotta be a very small amount of money, very little, $100, $200, even less, so that you can take a small quantity. That is what we're doing here. We're taking a very small quantity and to test the market to see how things work. We shouldn't be hurried. There is nothing to hurry here. We're gonna get there. I'm not fool to take a small part of quantity, small quantity. It's because we're learning something. We're learning the skills, ladies and gentlemen. So before we move forward, I need to welcome those in French because our channel is bilingual. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Ici, c'est Samuel et je suis très heureux d'être ici ce mardi soir. C'est la troisième journée de notre session. Nous sommes très heureux et nous voulons dire merci beaucoup au créateur qui nous permet d'être ici tous les jours. Alors, et nous lui demandons de continuer à bénir notre chaîne afin que celui-ci ou celle-ci continue à grandir et à aider beaucoup de personnes. Nous sommes ici pour apprendre à trade. C'est ce que nous sommes en train de faire. Nous ne sommes pas ici pour faire l'argent. Pour ceux qui veulent faire l'argent, ce n'est pas le bon moment. Alors, nous sommes ici pour apprendre à trade. Pour cette raison, nous avons commencé, comme vous voyez, nos bougies sont à la descente. Le petit rouge qui s'est placé. Alors, nous allons essayer de voir ce que le marché nous montrera. Aujourd'hui, quand nous voyons que nous sommes à la descente, alors nous ne devons pas oublier. Nous sommes à la descente de notre chart, qu'on appelle notre tendance. Voilà. Ladies and gentlemen, when we look at our overall market, we saw that we came up here and now we were down, came up with the news, and now we are consolidating. Yesterday we have a small green and came back. Now we don't do much, and now we're having a red candle here. We don't know what we're going to do. We're having the consolidation phase here. We don't know exactly what we may expect today, but according to our 4 hours, like you can see, our 4 hours here is going down, ladies and gentlemen. We see here 4 hours is going down, so we need to be careful, ladies and gentlemen. We need to be careful. We are going down, so I need to place my horizontal line there because we are moving down, and now I can also place the bottom part here. So traders, shouldn't forget we're moving down, so you need to be careful. This is another, but here it's not strategy area, but I can leave it there. Let's go now to this one as well. We're moving down, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the consolidation phase here. Sorry. So we are on this range. Likewise here. We are placing our support and resistance line, traders. We are here on the resistance. We wanted to break yesterday and we came down. So we are watching to see what the market will do today, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. We need to place our support and resistance, ladies and gentlemen, which is great. So now let's go now to our 5-minute chart, traders. That is our 5-minute, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see here, I don't see any technical analysis at this point. I don't know where they are. I don't know why my technical analysis are not here. Okay, I need now to go to template. Chart 3. All right, now pull out my technical analysis. Trader, we're there. So we're approaching 7 p.m. Eastern Time, trader. We already see the movement here. So as you can see, we're still here below. We need to wait and see. We are above our technical analysis here, traders. I'm going to place my stop below because I'm on the resistance. Here we try now to pull back on the US Japanese, and also here on US Japanese here, and okay, Australia Japanese as well, and Euro Japanese GBP is trying to pull back as well. So we don't know what we may have today, but I may just wait for 7 p.m. and take a long position and wait here, traders, because let me see, I'm below my, here I'm above the 50, which is tricky. Here is good, but here also we have this part. I can wait a little bit, and see, because based of our technical analysis, we are below the, our technical analysis. I need to wait a little bit and see. So we are here above, here above. So if I go long here, I will place my stop below this part. Let me do it and see. I'm taking long position there. Trader. I don't know why this one doesn't work. I don't know. Why Japanese doesn't work here. Australia Japanese, I don't know why. Let me see Australia Japanese. I don't know why it doesn't work. Oh, it looked like I bought a lot. I'm not sure. So I need to place my stop first. It looked like I bought double my unit here. Let me see. Template 3. No. Template 4. No. 4 is not good. Template just set up 5. All right. So I double my unit here without knowing. So let's see. I'm already on the 4 traders for the long position. Sorry. Let's see if we're gonna have it. US Japanese is doing a little bit better. Watching. So I bought Australia twice. So let's see. Watching traders, long position, hopefully going to have a break. On US Japanese. Watching. I took a long position here, traders. I hope to keep going. But Australia Japanese here, unfortunately, we are on the approaching the resistance there. We see a rejection. Want to see a continuation up. Let's see. Great. Small movement. So with the US Japanese, when I look at the trend line here, it looked like this trend line, traders, this trend line may affect my trade. I don't know if we're going to have a break here. I don't know. We're going to have some kind of breakout there. We see a rejection. I don't know if we're going to have a trend line, a rejection. And here I'm concerned about this 50 simple moving average. Very concerned about it. I hope we're going to break it. And here we are 150. Now seeing a pullback right away. Let's look for pullback. came there in 150, simple moving average. Coming down. Let's see. You have a reversal. US Japanese still there. Need to place my stop properly where it was supposed to be. Trader. Properly. So we are on the trade. We need to see coming back down. Traders. I don't want to take that small profit because to me it was small. So let's see. Was too small as a profit. You're watching. Australia Japanese is pulling back. Je suis dans 3 trades. Share trader. Je suis dans 3 trades. Australia Japanese est en train de venir vers le bas. Donc j'ai 2 trades supportés dans Australia Japanese. Je suis entré 2 fois sans que je ne sache. Donc nous allons voir. Je vais voir si je pourrais sortir sur Australia Japanese dans la mesure où ça ne marche pas. Twitter. Il fait que descendre. Si je sors, je pourrais réentrer bien après. Coming down. Australia Japanese. Close to my stop. I'll get out soon on Australia Japanese traders. Watching. If you break, I will get out of the trade with a loss. That is my first trade. Watching. Want to see a rejection? Want to see a rejection, traders? Let's see. US Japanese is doing great. Want Australia Japanese to go above. And upset. Watching. Normally I was supposed to, to take a small profit or to cut my go break even on Australia Japanese when it was doing what it was doing, but I was not able to do that. So it looked like trade is having hard time to pull back. Maybe we may have some kind of coming down. I don't know. So I may take my. I'm trying to see if I have to take the loss or not. Let's see what Euro Japanese going to do. Trying to see if I can take a loss here. Okay, I'm taking this loss, trader. Take the loss on this trade here. Taking a loss, trader. Prefer taking a loss here. I took a loss there, trader, because my entry, I was supposed to get out of my trade where I was, but I took a small loss, which is not bad. Gotta take it over again. It happens, you know. The way I see trade look like we're coming down. I will wait those trade to come down, traders. Je suis sorti dans le trade avec la pète, une petite pète, j'ai coupé. Donc, je me rends compte que mon entrée n'a pas été très bonne. So, I'm trying to see where I can re-enter the trade. Took a small loss, which is not bad. So, let's see. Watching. I'm trying to see where we're heading now, traders. We're pushing up. Watching. Je suis déjà sorti dans les trades avec petite pète. Watching, we're moving up, traders. You see a rejection on the 100, 150. I need to see if I can enter the short position here on the US Japanese and place my stop above. I'm trying to see if it's possible. Let me see properly. All right. Let's see. Keep going up. Want to see rejection. Wanted to see also Australia coming above here. So I took a loss there because I was on the long. Took a loss. Maybe I could have recouped my money, but it's okay. It's happened. I don't trust my trade. It happens sometime. You know. So sometimes it happens. We see a break here. I was on a good trade, but I don't hold on to it. J'étais dans un bon trade, mais je suis sorti avant. On va essayer de voir. Un bon trade. It was a good trade, but I came out earlier with a loss instead to hold. It happened. That is why sometimes you have to trust your trade. Yeah, sometimes it's important to trust yourself. I was on a good trade, but went out. Happened. That is why I encourage you guys sometimes don't follow me blindly, you know. So I may decide to get out of the trade, you decide to stay, you know, happens. Watching. Let's see. Gotta search for my new trade. Let's see. I'm trying to see we broke here, one little bit up. So let me see here. We're having high, 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 low. High, 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 low here. I don't know what we're going to have. So I need to be patient a little bit and see if we can have, we're going to have continuation. So need to see width. See? We now have high, 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 low. This high just up here, so we have lower high. So I need to see. I'm not sure which direction I'm going to take. You are Japanese. If I have a second red candle to make the new low, I don't know, because you are Japanese. I mean, Australia Japanese is on the 20 here. Let's see if we're going to have a continuation. We took the first 4 trade. I went out earlier and with a loss because I thought the reversal will continue, but it was just a high low, you know. So I went out here, I went in here somewhere, and I went out here, you know, went out here. Getting in, so it made me to have a small loss. Anyway, let's see. I don't know if this is where we're going to have a reversal. Australia Japanese is trying to catch up above. For those who are new to our channel, you know, we encourage you guys to subscribe and like our video if possible. So I'm trying to see my second trade here, traders. UA Japanese, I want to go with a short on UA Japanese and see if I lose it again. I'm going to get out of the trade with a loss. UA Japanese, and here, those guys too, I want to see if I can go here also. You know, I may lose again, you know, traders. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I try to do it, traders. Let's see if we're going to have a continuation down. Otherwise, we have pull back up. I will take it. I will take a loss. So let's see, Twitter, here in 15. So I was in 15 minutes with the US Japanese. So let's see if we're going to have a pushback down. I'm going to take also Australia, which I'm waiting to see it coming down. Let's see, traders. Hopefully come below 20. I'm waiting to see Australia as well. Let's see. Watching. took 3 trades. Yes, I'm not involved on Australia yet. If I go here with Australia, Japanese, let me see on Australia, Japanese here. Place my stop here, both. If come, both, I will get out of the trade. Watching 4 trade for short. See them cut trade to the short. Vous pouvez voir, trader. C'est pas encore ce qui va se passer, mais j'espère. Want to see our trade below the 20. Traders. Let's see. Want to see our trade below the 20, ladies and gentlemen. Australia don't want to come down. Want to see our trade below the 20. You hear me? See a pullback. Want to see a continuation down, traders. Below the 20. Watching. Let's see. We'll stick here. I don't know what's going to happen, but let's see. Nice. Want to see continuation lower. Nice. Want to see them below. Watching. Australia don't want to come down. I'm still waiting. I know maybe some people may take the profit here, but I'm still on the trade or the short. I'm still there. I'm thinking that maybe we might have another drop. Or Japanese, I'm on the 50 on Euro Japanese. I want to see it break 50 on Euro. Australia also trying to come down. Watching. USD Japanese doing great. Great. Maybe I can break even if it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, I will break even. Australia want to come down. That is a problem. It's holding. I don't know why. Keep holding here. Expecting a drop, another drop, which may be possible. Let's see. Can have another drop, especially on Euro Japanese. USD Japanese also is dropping. It's good. I want to see Euro below the 50. And also Australia. Let me see here if I can take my profit here, traders. Taking profit here. Took profit here, traders. So I need to see now. It wasn't what I lost before, but it's not too bad as a profit. But so I need to see if I see a reversal, I will jump on it again. So let's see. I took a profit there. It wasn't too much. It wasn't up to what I lost before, a little bit almost, but need another winning trade, you know. So and see if we see a reversal from there, like US Japanese here is on the support. So what I was expecting is that I expect this euro to keep coming down below this, maybe here. It was a beautiful trade. C'est un bon trade. Donc, on va attendre voir. J'ai cru qu'il devait redescendre. Bon, il est en train de caler là-bas. Je vais voir si je peux prendre long ici. Here, traders, I'm going long on this trade. I don't know why my platform is slow today, man. It's taking time. It's taking time. Maybe it's a problem of internet. You know, internet is not. Speed is slow. Internet is very slow here. So gotta wait now and see if I can have a reversal here. I'm not sure if it break below. I will be out of the trade. Trader with a loss. So let's see. Look like we now keep going down. So my stop there. If it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. Je suis encore dans 4 trades sur le long. Traders. If I get out of the trade here, I will take it. Take a loss. So let's see. Je suis encore rentré dans le trade plus long. Je vais voir. I'm here, trader. So we took a long position here for, let's see. We need to see our trade going up. We don't want to see coming back down. Let's watch. Watching here. I'll trade for long. 4. Let's see our long position now. Watching. For long. For trade. Through Japanese. GBP gotta be hard because 50 is above US Japanese and Euro Japanese. Let's see. We're moving in the right direction here. Moving on the Euro Japanese. Traders. A long position. Long. Want to see Australia moving also. Great move. Going above, want to see them going above our 50, our 50 and 20. And 150. Watching traders along. Want to see Australia going above. Want to see US Japanese working. We don't want to see a pullback, traders. Not something you want to see, traders. Watching. Sorry. We're here for long. I want to see our candle turning green for the continuation up. Traders. Vous voyez nos bougies changer au vert. Continuer vers le haut. Chers traders. Voilà, on va voir la montée. Great. Want to see US Japanese keep going. Australia broke as well. Great. Want to see Australia continue. I want to move my target here. Trader. I want to move my target above. I want to get triggered soon because I'm thinking that we have upside to go. Okay, great there. Here as well. Let's see. We pull back down. Let's watch and see. Came back down. Australia came back down. GBP as well. But hopefully going to move forward. I don't know. Came back down. Let's see. Because Australia hit the 50, I'm very concerned. So I hit the 50. I'm trying to see if I can break even here. Let's see. Watching, want to see your Japanese going above here, trader. Holding it and see. We're approaching 8. Great. Great. Want to see the continuation. Okay, I'm taking this small profit here. I'm taking this small profit. I took that small one. Traders. Took this small profit. I'm almost break even. I'm flat here, a little bit slightly up. Nothing major. Traders. My internet is slow, very slow today, so I don't know. It was not bad trade, you know. Trade wasn't. It's just that they don't have volume to keep going up. I'm already out of the trade. Traders, out. Let's wait and see. trader we're watching. And observe, you see there the order of the trade. Approaching 8. At this time, I took multiple trade, but I'm just sliding up a little bit. Nothing major here. So let's see. I'm gonna wait to place my trade after 8, opening Tokyo session. So a 4-hour candlestick start drying up, trying to go back to the green territory here. So we're waiting to see. Maybe it will turn green in the 4-hour candlestick of our chart. 4 hours. But we're already green on Euro Japanese. Remaining GBP, USD Japanese, USD Japanese, which want to also turn green. USD Japanese want to turn green. So if we break there, we're in green territory here. If we break this level. So let's see at the opening of the bell if we're going to, move forward. This is what I was expecting on Australia Japanese here. Euro Japanese. Let's see. Watching. Open Tokyo. See, we now 4 minutes. Open there. Watching. If we go above the 50, I will feel comfortable to take a long position here on the Australian Japanese. This is where it stopped before. Two minutes. This is what I was expecting to be done, but we didn't get it. We're going to have a pullback. I don't know. One minute now. Maybe we're going to experience the pullback. That's it. So now it's 8 traders. We're going to have a probably pullback. I don't know. Or rejection upside. If I see a break here, I will go. I'm waiting to see. I prefer to pull back down before going long. Flush. Traders. Prefer the flush. Great, great, great. Coming down. Great. Nice. Gonna see another one, another push down. Great, nice. Nice, traders. Nice, nice. Push it down again. Keep pushing down. Keep pushing down again. So I'm going to go long here, trader. I'm going long on our trade and place my stop far away. I know we can still have a flush here, but my stop gotta be here, traders. I prefer to put it here. If the flush come down, kick me out. Oh man, lack of internet causing me too much trouble here. So this one gotta come here. My stop also comes here, and this one as well comes here, and this one comes here. I need to see our trade turning red, green. Sorry, let's see our trade turning green here. Right, we're moving in the right direction. Want to see our trade turning green right away. Coming back down. Coming back down. We have a lot of volatility now because Tokyo open. Approaching my stops, traders. If I hit out, I may go back in anytime. So let's see. I may go back in anytime. I don't scare to be kicked out, traders. Já estamos. we took a long trader. I don't know the direction, but my stop is there on the market. If you flush down, I will get in out of the trade with a loss. But hopefully it will reverse, And Euro Japanese approaching my stops here. I don't know which level we're going to take, but I don't know. YouTube channel having trouble. Having problem of internet here, traders. Australia is pulling back. We don't want to see our Euro Japanese keep coming down. But even though if it come down, it kick me out, I will re-enter the trade. Traders, if possible. Want to see the green candle going up. Traders, don't want to see the continuation down. Red. It's not something you want to see, but if it happens, want to take it. US Japanese also coming down with a loss. So let's see. I may go back in. US Japanese approaching my stop also. If you kick me out, I may re-enter the trade. Traders. So let's see. I may re-enter the trade anytime. US Japanese coming down. So we are now on the downtrend. I'm out of US Japanese as well. So let's see. Maybe my stop wasn't placed very well. So let's see. I'm still on 2 trade, a long position. I don't know. So I'm trying to see if I can re-enter this trade and place my stop below. I re-enter the trader. Okay, now this time my stop is here. If you break here, I will start looking at the trade for the downtrend. Yeah, trader, I will start looking for the downtrend. If you break my stop this time again, I don't scare to keep re-entering the trade, because trading is probability. You never know what's going to happen in the market. I'm still taking my trade for the long. If it doesn't work, I know that I'm ready on red on the reversal. So, but here I'm expecting the pullback green. But if I don't get it, I'll be out again in the trade. I stop it there in the market. So there's nothing to fear. Let's see. Watching. Gonna see. Watching trader. Let's wait and see our trade. If we break on US Japanese downtrend, I will start looking at the trade for short traders. It's possible that we may break. It's possible. Because I'm on the support, that is what I took along. Because we never know. Watching. Watching Twitter. Wanna keep going up. Want to see a momentum because the combined market open. Come down, I'll be getting out of the trade with a loss, and I will start looking at this market on the short traders. That's it. Approaching now, I'll stop. If you break here, I will look at the market on the short position. Trader, I'm coming now. I'm out of US Japanese. Great. Also, I gotta start looking at the market on the short here. Trader, trying to get out as soon as possible, if possible. I'm out of my trade because US Japanese broke down. Let's see. I'm out. So let's see now. I'm going to take US Japanese here for the short, probably trader. Let me see if you're going to hold. Gotta wait and see if you're going to hold. Gotta be careful if you wouldn't reject. Gotta be careful. Look like it's not rejecting. Look like we're gonna have a continuation down. Need to be careful. Place also a resistance here, the support, I mean. Need to be careful. See US Japanese. I'm in with a short on US Japanese traders. And my stop gotta be above here. Kick me out. I want also to see on Australia Japanese traders. Gotta wait and see. I need to see a red candle on. I'm already on US Japanese with a short. Let me see this guy here. Gonna break. So let's see USD Japanese. I want to see the other guys as well coming down. Maybe that gotta be a retest. Tu es dans un seul trade sur le short. Je vais aussi voir si je pourrais short Australie japonaise. Aussi euro japonaise qui continue à aller vers le haut. Marché a ouvert, ça peut continuer vers le bas. Je suis en train de vouloir voir si je peux prendre Australie japonaise, le short. GBP also. Euro Japanese. I'm waiting to see my trade for the short. I'm still on US Japanese. Watching, see a reversal. US Japanese is holding. Keep coming down. US Japanese. US Japanese reverse. So Japanese. Gotta be careful. And see holding US Japanese for short. Traders. Keep coming down, US Japanese. I don't want to hear anything. So I'm going short also on this sticker, traders, because the reason I'm doing that is that US Japanese is holding there. Is a tricky trade. You guys, gotta think twice before entering this trade. For the short, I'm not sure. I'm just trying to do what I think best for me. Okay, so we need to wait and see. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I took it for short. Hopefully we'll have a downtrend. Breakout. Traders. If you don't get it, I don't know what going on here. I gotta retake this trade. Well, now I don't know. I'm having problem of internet here. But I need to get a separate line. Separate line. Didn't take time to work. So let's see here. Australia Japanese look like it's coming down. So let's see. I don't know if today gonna be a good day for me. I'm not sure, traders. I may fail today, but I don't know. So let's see. On the short, like you wanna break, traders. Watching. Downtrend. Australia is coming down. I don't know if you Japanese also will break. Put the red candle down. But euro don't want to come down. Australia coming down, which is great. Watching Australia coming down. Want to see red candle everywhere. Continuation down. US Japanese. Australia doing great. What a guy don't want to turn red. Let's see if we're gonna get it. I don't know. Want to see you Japanese also doing the same. Euro Japanese holding here. Want to see short coming down. Great with Japanese. We're Japanese on the support traders. That is why you need to break the support. You need to break support. See a rejection. I don't know if we're going to get it. Okay, I'm getting out here, traders, again, flat. Prefer to get out here, break even again. So, because when I'm holding a trade, it's hard to go to take my direction. I'm very concerned. I'm a break even. It's not bad. Break even is not a bad trade. So, I need to reconsider my entry because I went short. Is taking time, so it's important for me to reconsider my entry point or get out and wait and see a clear sentence. It's not bad. If I see now that it's start turning red again, I'm going to re-enter the trade. So let's see. Direction. You haven't get anything here, traders? I'm to figure out maybe to see, gotta wait and see. Coming down now. I'm going to reconsider my trade soon, traders. I place my stop again above. If I break the 50, I will see. Need to be careful. We're still in consolidation here. We haven't get anything major since Tokyo market open. On est toujours sur la consolidation. Market consolidate here. I don't know exactly which direction and take. We're waiting to see. Coming now. Now, let's see exactly if you come down, we're going to enter our trade, short position. Let's wait again. Okay, look like we're trying to come down, traders. I want to see those guys also forming downtrend. Very Japanese. It's good. Okay. I'm trying to see if I can go short again, traders. I'm trying to see if I can go short again, traders. So let's see this time, hopefully, take a downtrend. Let's see. We're gonna have another downtrend, traders. On the downtrend, want to see a movement. Want to see our chart moving down. Breaking down and continuation. See a rejection again. I'm having a problem of my internet. I'm sorry about that, traders. If things are disconnected, I'll be connecting here. Trouble. So I may have to wire a separate line just because sometimes internet is slow. I don't know. So let's see here what we're going to have. Hopefully we're going to have a breakdown, traders. Want to see breakdown continuation. Nice. Want to see the continuation down, traders. Australia is doing great. Want the other guy to follow Australia. Let's see. Moving in the right direction here. Want to see a break, traders. Nice. Want to see break continuation. Nice. Australia is doing great. Want to see a break here. Nice. Watching our trade. So I want to see our trade coming down. See holding here, trader. We're going to have a retest before a continuation. See a pullback on Euro Japanese. It's not something you want to see. Want to see a continuation down, traders, like you were Japanese doing. The Japanese doing great. Want to see a continuation down, traders. Nice. Nice, continuation down. Euro Japanese as well. Want to see a continuation down. On va voir Euro continuer vers le bas. Voilà, c'est bon. Je ne sais pas si nous allons avoir cela. Je ne sais pas. Si on va avoir le breakdown. Let's watch and see. I don't know, we're going to have it. See a rejection. See a rejection. I don't know if it's just a retest or not. So I need to hold on a little bit and see. So I'm taking this one, trader. Take this one. It's not easy, but I took that one. Took that profit, small profit, because we are on the support everywhere. Took that small profit. Ladies and gentlemen, we are lower, 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 high, lower, 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 high, lower, lower. So, need to be careful. We might have a lower high here. We're expecting the breakdown here, but we broke and we rejected. So, we may experience now a lower high. Je suis sorti the trade. Avec un petit gain. It was just a small profit. Trading is tricky, man. You know. Trading is difficult. We are on the support also on UA Japanese. Rejection. So I'm trying to see if I can seek a long trade here on UA Japanese. Because it came to the support. I don't know. We need to see. Check properly also GBP. I'm trying to take it for long position because we're on the support. So I don't know. And also Australia here already have a rejection of the bearish candle rejection. We have consolidation of 3 trade inside. So I'm trying to see if I can go long here and place my stop below trader. See, it's taking time, you know, to fill out my so my stop is here, trader. If we break, I'll be out of the trade. Now coming down again. I don't know. I just take one trade at this time, traders. Just one. If we break here, I will go short because I'm seeing how this one is coming down. So I don't have preferences. It's just that I need to follow the trend. Where the trend want to go, I follow him. I follow it, you know. I don't know exactly where the market is heading. I'm just guessing. So I was thinking that the market will rebound from here with a long position and come maybe above here. That is what I took a long position here, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have also to analyze and check wherever you think that the market can go. So on va voir ce que le marché fera. Dans un seul trade. Quand je vais prendre le short, ça ne dure pas, ne descend pas. Depuis que le marché a ouvert à Tokyo, il n'y a pas un grand mouvement. Tokyo open, but we don't see any big movement here. So we need to wait and see. If I break here, come down, I will get it out of the trade. Traders. GBP, for those who search for pairs, GBP Australia. Also, GBP Australia is not bad. So let's see. We're approaching 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and we haven't get anything here, major things, traders. Let's see if we're going to have a breakdown. Come and remove my stop. I just have one trade now because I don't know the direction exact of the market. I don't know the direction of the market. We have double bottom here on Euro GBP Euro Japanese here, double bottom. So which can make me to take this trade for a short here and place my stop below, trader. So taking the trade, my stop gotta be below here. In case it doesn't work, I'll be out of the trade. I'm just trying, traders. Just trying. Also, other guys here, GBP and US Japanese. I'm trying to see, trader, for a long position. My stop is closed. If you return here, it's gonna kick me out. I'm just guessing. Trading is a probability. You will never know what's gonna happen in the market until you take it. So I'm just guessing there to see the direction of the market. Maybe it might go long. It won't be bad to try. The reason I'm trying is that here I have double bottom here at the bottom, 5 minutes, and that is approximately 15 minutes, and now we have this one here consolidating. So let's see. If it doesn't work, we take a loss. Doesn't work, take a loss, because the market don't really move here. The volume is lower. So let's see. Because here we'll have a pullback here with the speed and having at least a momentum, at this point. Because we never have it, So that is what I'm thinking. We'll have some kind of momentum and, just retest this level. We see a rejection. The market this evening is tricky. Le marché n'est pas bon ce soir. Comme nous pouvons le voir. Le marché ne bouge pas. Okay, don't move. Any side you take doesn't move, So any direction. Same sport. Doesn't do anything. See, want to see a movement because we saw dirty, which means change of direction. Hopefully, we're going to change the direction now, traders. can observe change of direction here. See a movement now. It's not bad. Want to see some kind of momentum, ladies and gentlemen. You know, because market never move, market always on the same sport. So that is very, very difficult like that. Watching. Want to see our 4 trade going above the 20. Want to see Euro Japanese above 20. GBP gotta go also. See upside and rejection, upside and rejection, upside and rejection. Don't know what I mean. Try Japanese. Want it also to turn green. Great, great. Nice. Nice. Traders. We see a move now. Want to see a break here. Want to see a break in continuation. Following traders. Great. Want to see a continuation. We don't want to see a pullback. Watching. We don't want to see a pullback. Traders. Australia also trying. It's good. Let's see where the uptrend going to start. Nice. Where Japanese want it to turn green as well. Nice. We have 4 trades for the upside. Traders. Great. Nice. Want to see, we already have a break on the US Euro Japanese, almost break. Want to see a continuation. Traders. Want to see Australia going above the 20 EMA. Want to see also GBP going above. Watching. Let's see upside movement. Watching. Nous voulons voir là que notre trade continue vers le haut. Vert. On va être patient. Pour la patience. Serrer nos pieds au sol. Voilà. C'est pas facile de tenir un winning trade. Je crois que si nous tenons celui-ci, ça va faire notre journée, notre soirée, je vous l'ai dit. Ça. Voilà, arrêtez avec force. Let's hold this trade, traders. Let's try to hold it with our 2 hands. It's not easy to hold a winning trade. But let's see. Let's see. We hit the 50 here on GBP. We don't know what is going to happen here. And we reject it on the Euro Japanese break. Hopefully, it's just a retest. Let's see. We need to learn to hold on the winning traders, because it's better to lose the trade, than taking this very tiny profit, especially when your target, your stop is far away. We hope that this trade gonna move a little bit again more. We hope. I'm not sure, but I just hope that. I'm on the 50 here on GBP. 50 is very, very difficult to break. Pushing 200 there. US Japanese, don't move. I don't know why. Great. Want to see US Japanese moving as well. Want to see another push. Not easy. Great. Push it. Nice. Already on the 50 here. I was expecting this 50 to be broke. To break the 50. So let's see. US Japanese, I want the team to go above. As it look like it's hard. Pull it back down. I'm still holding. Still holding here. Twitter. I'm still holding. I'm not getting out yet. I'm holding. Maybe it might just be a pullback for continuation. I'm holding because Australia hasn't touched the 50. See, they're holding. Twitter. Want to see it move up again. Still holding the trade for the long, 4 trade. Australia is moving. Where Japanese pulling back. I want it to turn green. Nice with a roll. The Japanese coming back down. I'm still holding. I'm still holding the trade here. I'm not getting out yet. I don't want to do that. I don't know why we're Japanese doing this. I will go break even in case it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, I go break even. Want to see US Japanese going or Australia Japanese. I'm still holding here, traders. I'm still holding. Already 9 buys here. Where Japanese coming down. Watching for the upside. Want to see US Japanese turning green. It's the one who doesn't allow those trades to move, but watching. It's tricky here. Want to see uptrend. Traders. Watching. Want to see GBP above the 50 with the US Japanese. Great. Nice. I'm still holding the trade. Nice move. Nice move. Great. Want to see US Japanese going above. Traders. Keep going. It's already above the 50. Want to see GBP moving forward. Great. GBP are above the 50. US Japanese as well. Nice. Nice move on Euro Japanese. Approaching my target. Traders. US Japanese going. I'm going to take my profit here, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you guys also do some take the profit as well. Took the profit there, traders, because it's tricky. No, I wasn't bad. It was a nice trade, traders. You know, took my profit there. You guys also can decide to take it there or keep holding. It's up to you. Wasn't bad. It was a good trade. If you decide to keep holding it, you can keep holding. But if you want to get out, that's fine. Ceux qui veulent sortir peuvent sortir. Ceux qui veulent rester, restent. Moi, je suis déjà dehors. Voilà. Et le trade, probablement, va continuer. Je suis sorti là-bas. C'est pas facile d'arrêter un trade. Surtout qui vous donne un peu d'argent. C'est pas facile. Donc, je suis sorti. Trader, it was a beautiful trade. It was a nice one. So, let's see. So I'm out of those trades. I'm waiting now to see a reversal. Let's see a reversal. Watching. That was probably a macro pullback. Let's see if we have consolidation to come back down. If we have consolidation like we have here on Australia. Australia here is trying to reverse. Although Japanese keep going, which is good. We had just a macro pullback, having an uptrend, which is good. Let me go here 50 minutes and see. We're moving in the right direction here on nice. Nice here. So we'll wait another macro pullback. So go long. It's good. It's open. It's open. So we need to see our trend is keep going up, which is great. We need to see where to re-enter the trade. Traders need to wait for the pullback or red candle. I don't know exactly if we gotta keep having uptrend. I'm not sure. If I get into this trade here, please see my stop here. You know, I don't know if we're going to have a reversal at this point. I don't really know because we already have a lower high. I don't know if this momentum will continue and we are here above, below our 50, here below our 50. So it's just here we are above 50, here above 50. So we don't know. It's a tricky trader because we have this wall here. I don't know who's going to pass that wall. So I'm very careful. I'm very careful, ladies and gentlemen. Very careful. For that reason, I don't know. I need to wait because I don't need to gamble here. I need to wait and have a clear, information. Don't know if we have to keep going up or reverse. I don't know. We have high low. I don't know. We reverse the fan. Have a pullback. Sometimes when you chase the momentum, and now it reverse with you. So you need to be careful. Trader, those who are new to our channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. We're here every day except Friday and Saturday. Here at 7 p.m. from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Almost sometimes we leave earlier, depending of the market, how the market behaves. So you can also like our video. It's important, and we want also to let you know that we appreciate those who assist us, those who learn with us. Very grateful. Really appreciate that. No matter how long you stay here, 1 second, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 1 hour, 2 hours, or those who have been with us since the beginning of this year, we're very, very, very grateful. Yeah, no matter where you are, where you're coming from. So I'm trying to see this one to see if I can, try to take it forward. Short, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's gotta be just a macro pullback or pullback. Okay, I'm getting for short. I don't know. Trader, if you revert there, I'm gonna get it. If you reverse, tell me that, hey, I'm not going there. I would accept it, take it. So this is maybe my last chance, I don't know. So let's see if we're gonna have some kind of reversal here. Traders, placing my stops above. Trader, I'm just guessing. I don't know the outcome of the trade. I'm just guessing to see if you can get it. Pull back. I don't know if a reversal or pullback. But just to see if we can make some money here. Traders watching. Nice. See, nice coming down. If you have this target, we fine. Root Japanese don't want to come down. Want a root to come down as well, but we know that it's a momentum. So we don't want to see our trade keep going up. We want to see some kind of pullback here, traders. Let's keep holding it. Maybe we might have a pullback here. See holding for trade or short. Broke 20. Want to see it down? Great. Want to see the continuation down? I'm still holding. Australia still there. Don't want to see a pullback. Australia try to come down. If I see a rejection, I'll break even, traders. Look like we're having a rejection there. Traders want to see a continuation down on red. Gotta hold it a little bit. Want to see a continuation down. Nice. Want to see a red candle coming down. Nice. Nice. Root Japanese trying also to come down. Nice. Root Japanese. I don't know if traders. So I was out of that trade, because it didn't allow me to see. I see Australia Japanese start pulling back with the speed. So better get out of the trade. Traders. So it wasn't too bad. I took a small profit on that as well. It's not bad. Very small profit. Now maybe we might have some kind of continuation here. Traders. Si sorti dans ce trade là. C'est un petit profit, c'est pas très grave, bon, mais ça va. Watching. Australia is going. If Australia break the 50, I may enter those trade for long in case Australia break the 50 here. Traders. Australia look like you're gonna break 50. I'm waiting here. Yep, we have Australia break 50. Twitter. UA Japanese. I'm trying to get in UA Japanese here, Twitter. I'm listing my stuff here below. This guy as well. And this guy as well. So let's see how it's gonna play out. We're gonna get the lower high, Twitter. Let's see if we're gonna get the lower high, Twitter. UA Japanese. It's leading now. Great. UA Japanese leading. Want to see a momentum upside. UA Japanese doing great. Nice. I'm not getting in Australia. Want to see my trade going up. Let's see. Australia pulling back. There is not something I want to see. Twitter. Want to see a continuation. Watching. Great. Nice. Nice. Want to see a pullback of low high. Want to see a low high, traders. Great. Great. Nice. Nice push. Want to see low high. Want to see a low high. Want to see low high, trader. Nice. Already get out of one trade. GBP, great. GBP did great. Okay, I'm out of GBP, trader. That was another nice trade. Traders. Yep, nice trade. It's good. Another nice trade. Nice. Then bond trade, Twitter. So traders, you can see that we have some kind of consolidation here. So up to now, what can we say, about the way we trade? We can remember that. We can remind ourselves that trading is a probability game. So sometimes you see a setup, you just take it and place your stop. That is what you have to do, trader. And you place your risk and your target. You got to think about those things before you enter the trade, not when you are into the trade. Before you enter the trade, you think about where you're going to place your stop, where you're going to get out. Yep, that is how it works. And you see a setup, you enter the setup, and you let the trade work. You saw here how I didn't trust my trade. One of my trades here, but it was taking my direction. But since I didn't trust, but I get out earlier and I miss. So je disais que le trading c'est un jeu de probabilité. Ça veut dire que vous ne pourrez jamais savoir le futur, bien, comment dirais-je, le résultat de ce qui va se passer. Voilà. Donc, vous deviez seulement prendre un trade et vous placer votre risque et votre objectif, c'est tout. C'est ça le trading. Ce que vous avez à faire, ne prenez jamais le trade sans toutefois avoir calculé avant. Voilà. Donc nous approchons déjà 22 heures. Trader, we're approaching now 10. So I think today we want to make or do all our possibilities to keep our green day again, traders. Gotta keep this small green day again. Build your psychology, it's good for the psychology. Traders. Let's see where we're heading now. It's interesting. Don't know if we're going now down. I don't know. So let's see. Don't know if we're going down completely. Let's see. Break everywhere there, we know that we're heading down. Watching, trader, want to see a breakdown in continuation. Go Japanese. Break down a retest and continuation. Where Japanese already break. Trader. Some of you guys can jump on the trade there, but you need to analyze very well before you do that, because you gotta be your money. So be careful. Sometimes you used to break like this and reject and go back on green. So let's see if you're gonna hold. Let's see if we're gonna hold here. And I would like also to see GBP breaking here. I don't want to see GBP here. I can see it because it's easier to reject. See GBP, and I want also to see Australia Japanese breaking down. Watching to see what the market is about to do here. Maybe this is another long trade, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet, traders. Euro Japanese coming down. Coming down. Let me see this guy. Let's see. Wow. Look at this guy. Very nice. You see me more than all those, what everything did here. Look at how he moved. Very nice. I think next time I gotta keep it in my chart. You know, China GBP is good. Going to divide my trade, my chart too. Traders. I'm gonna add this one in our trade. Let me see here. Chart. So we're coming down. Watching here, we're now coming from the lower traders. But now remain 15 minutes now to end our session, traders. Let me see Australia here, Japanese. Next time I'm going to add more chat in my screen. We'll have 5 next time. So trader, as you can see that we had a very nice day today again. That is 3 days in a row. 3 days consecutively. We are green. We're green on Monday. We're green on Sunday. We're green on Monday, and we are green today. So we're moving in the right direction, ladies and gentlemen. Moving here in the right direction. We just want to thank God because there were 2 months ago we were having every day was red. Every single day was red. I had even to scale down my quantity. I'm very grateful for. The problem is not money here, The problem is not money. The problem is the way we trade. To see the direction of the market. That is what matters, traders. Don't worry about money. Maybe you're going to say, hey, you're not making money. Yes, I don't care about money, but I care about the direction of the market. If you can pull $1, because let me tell you, when you get into a trade here, what happened is that you are down completely because there is a spread, and you got to pay the, how can I call it? There's a broker fees you have to pay, commissions. So when you get into a trade, right away you are down. You have to be down for the spread. You have to be down to pay the commission from the broker. It means what? Before you turn green, you already pay all those things. That is how it works. It means if you take whatever quantity you take, no matter the quantity, let's say you take 1 unit, you're already down. You need to see the direction of the market in order to come back green. That is how it works. Maybe some of you don't know. That is how the process works. It means when you enter the trade and you come out green, it means that you saw the direction of the market. So you agree. You have to be grateful. This is like a crocodile. Its mouth. You understand? When you put your hand into the mouth of the crocodile and you pull it out with something, you need to be grateful market is like a crocodile. You know, a shark. When you put your hand inside its mouth and you come out with something, that is what you have to be grateful for. So we need to be grateful for what we had, ladies and gentlemen, no matter the amount. But we have to be grateful. That is why I thank God to be grateful for what we had. No matter the amount is not a problem, but the process was there. So we're going to stop here today like this, and we will be here again tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. Eastern time. We invite you guys to come to talk to those who want to learn how to trade. You can join us together for free so that we can learn all together to become a profitable trader. Mesdames et messieurs, nous allons nous arrêter ici. Et avant de partir, j'étais en train de dire que nous devons remercier le bon Dieu pour nous avoir aidés à être vers le dimanche, vers lundi et vers mardi. Même si demain et après-demain, les 2 jours qui restent, nous perdons, que nous ne disons pas que nous allons perdre, mais s'il arrive, nous allons accepter. Parce que nous serons dans la moyenne. Il fut un temps, peut-être 2 mois et demi, nous passions des moments à perdre tous les jours. Nous perdions tous les jours. Mais aujourd'hui, si nous pouvons déjà avoir quelques jours de vert, quelques jours de perte, nous ne pouvons que remercier le Créateur. Alors, parce que c'est pas facile, comme j'ai expliqué en anglais, lorsque vous placez un trade ici, peu importe, que ce soit une quantité, vous deviez payer les frais du broker et le spread. Ça veut dire que vous êtes déjà négatif. Donc, lorsqu'à la fin, vous pouvez tourner au vert et vous récupérer un peu d'argent, même si c'est un seul $, vous devez beaucoup apprécier cela. Car ici, c'est comme la bouche d'un requin, la bouche du crocodile, que vous avez mis votre main à l'intérieur pour sortir quelque chose, que vous sortez, alors vous deviez remercier. C'est pour cette raison que je dis merci à Dieu pour avoir été vert aujourd'hui encore. Donc, nous allons nous revoir demain chez Trader, à la même heure, 19h, dans le New York. Nous vous remercions beaucoup. We're very thanks here, we're grateful. Trader, gotta see you tomorrow. Goodbye and see you again. Goodbye, Trader. Au revoir et on se revoit demain.